morning. It is day 3 of lockdown. It's a beautiful day compared to yesterday, so I'm going to do some washing. Just made my breakfast. Poached eggs on a mixed grain virgin toast with Vegemite butter, salt and pepper, and then I've got a cup of tea in my Kit Cup. What are you doing? You're so uncoordinated like your mama. Got these from Kmart. They hold the books and the kids can easily just like look through and figure out what they want to read. So I have 2 of them and I really like it. I just need to find a better way to put them because I don't like them on the ground. The floor looks like this because we're getting carpet eventually. Really likes to hoard treasures, so I just found this in the garage and I'm going to clean it up, take the vivid off the side. I'm gonna let this be her little treasure box until I find something different. So I just used the nail polish remover to get the label off. You can still slightly see it, but I'll eventually cut out a vinyl and put it on there, and then yeah, I'll go find something else when all the shops open back up. Kids decided that they'd play, so
This is your funny little rabbit, eh?
mm-hmm.
Bunny rabbit. What's this yours?
Yeah, that's my Wonder Woman costume.
Look, Iron Man. Iron Man.
Who are you? Oh my god. You're like a mixture of so much things. Wow!
Okay, I gotta take.
The Avengers in our house today. They've made like a little trail. What is Arlo doing? I just cut a vinyl teddy bear to put in our window because our fences are too high, so I can't put it on the windowsill. So I'm going to put it at the top of the window. I'm just putting a transfer tape on here. Just made a white version because you couldn't really see the black one.
Oh, look at my teddy.
Why don't you leave the other one up there as well?
Nah, she couldn't see it.
But if you saw that one, you'd see that one.
Isn't it cute? Just about to watch some Dawson's Creek. Missy's here, really grumpy. And you know, I can tell when you want to smile. Usually I'll watch it on my phone, but sometimes I'll watch it on the TV. I'm almost finished. I'm up to season 6. Hey guys, it's 1 in the morning. No, it's actually 1:30. Holy shit, I'm tired. I've been watching Dawson's Creek and looking on Pinterest for baby names. It's so hard to come up with something that I'm going to love for the rest of my life. I have a few names in mind, but they're not something that I absolutely love, so I think that they're not the right ones. With Everly, I absolutely knew that her name was Everly right from the beginning. With Arlo, I loved Arlo as soon as I saw it. Obviously his name's not Arlo, it's Kawana. Me and Kawana had a lot of debate about what his name should be. Anyway, I'm going to chuck this vlog together super quick, and then I am going to go to bed. So I hope you guys had a great day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.